Oh, the sun is shining and everything is awesome. Hi, I'm Slin, an Indigenous rapper from Norway. I've spent over 20 years making music and writing songs, and today I want to share some tips with you that have helped me throughout this journey. So, you're struggling to find ideas? Here are 4 tips that I do when I start working on a new song. Tip number 1, read the news. One of my favorite ways to find ideas is by reading the news. I usually start my day off with a cup of coffee and browse a few news sites that I follow to see what's happening around me and in the world. And in fact, many of my songs have been inspired by real events from my local area. Don't just read the headlines. Check out the comments too. They can tell you how people are feeling about a story. Are they angry, sad, excited? Do they even care? Those emotions can become the foundation of a song. For me, I often read about Sami issues and the challenges we face. Since I am Sami myself, these topics affect me personally and give me something meaningful to write about, whether it's cultural stories, experiences with racism, or political issues. The key is to find subjects you genuinely care about. So if you're looking for song ideas, start by reading the news. Tip number 2, use your feelings.
Search your feeling.
When you're looking for song ideas, start with how you feel. Some days I wake up full of energy and motivation and ready to take on the world. And other days I feel completely drained and don't even want to get out of bed. Both feelings can become songs. A lot of writers overthink the process and look for the perfect idea. Instead, try describing exactly how you feel in that moment. It can be as simple as, I slept like shit. That one sentence can become the starting point for an entire song. The reason this works is because emotions are relatable. Most people have experienced the same feelings you have, whether it's excitement, frustration, loneliness, anxiety, or hope. I use this method all the time when I'm stuck. Not everything you write will be great, but that's okay, you can always edit later. Just start with the feeling and see where it takes you. Tip number 3, have conversations. One of the best ways to find song ideas is simply to talk to people. Call a friend, visit a family member, grab a coffee and have a conversation. People see the world differently. That's what makes conversations so valuable. They might share opinions, experiences, or stories that you would never have thought about on your own. Sometimes when I don't know what to write about, talking to someone helps me see things from a completely different perspective. It's also important to keep an open mind. Don't just listen for things you agree with. Listen for the experiences and viewpoints that challenge the way you think. You might hear a story or a phrase or an opinion that sparks an idea for an entire song. So if you're stuck and can't find inspiration, stop staring at a blank page and start talking to people. Tip number 4, build a routine. One of the best ways to find song ideas is to make writing a habit. Set aside some time every day to write, even if it's only 10 minutes. The goal isn't to write a great song every day. The goal is to train your brain to be creative on a regular basis. Just like any other skill, songwriting gets easier when you practice consistently. Personally, I try to spend at least an hour writing every day. Most of what I write never becomes a finished song. That's completely okay. In fact, I have folders full of unfinished ideas, random lyrics and song concepts that may never ever be released. But whenever I need inspiration, I can go back and revisit those ideas. Don't worry about writing something amazing every day. Focus on showing up, writing regularly, and building a routine. The ideas will come. So there you have it, 4 tips to help you find song ideas when inspiration isn't coming naturally. Of course, everyone is different, and every songwriter has their own creative process, but these are some of the methods I use whenever I feel stuck or need a new source of inspiration. How do you find inspirations for your songs? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to the channel. It helps a lot. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next video.